Hello everyone.
Yes.
This afternoon is opportunity to with our friends. He's a diligent guy.
Oh, wow.
Yes, he have a lot of corn and now he is going to plant coyote. So we come here to see how he built the
We will build the ark.
ark for the coyote, right?
Yes.
So this is the place, very nice place for to plant everything. Do you eat that coyote?
We will check it if there is.
Something like this. That's why you told me to
Corn.
wear the
Wow.
shoes, right? You told me to wear shoes, but I think it's not dangerous.
Don't worry.
So they just wear my
Not
sandal.
mature.
No, not yet. So we just like this, friends. Oh,
Here.
this is our plan.
You know
So
my
we're going
squash.
to
My squash did not.
squat that one.
fruit. That's why in the biblical it did not produce fruit.
Squat never produce fruits, right?
Yeah. Kill it.
Oh, many chili, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, you have a lot of chili, man. Thank you so much for that, my friend. My Thailand guy, he really like that chili. The chili is a neighbor of Thailand guy. So friend, we are going to get a chili. So now
Farmer
we
boy.
will show you later on what we are going to do.
Wow.
Whoa,
Oh.
this is so professional, right?
Yeah.
You see,
You're wearing mask
yeah.
to avoid mosquito.
Oh, avoid mosquito. Be careful.
Oi, careful, brother. Huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
We'll go down there, then we cut big trees. Oi. Look, this is my lotia. What this name in your place?
I don't know this one. Man. You can just eat easily, right?
Yeah. This is like kamote.
Like a mote.
Yeah.
You eat inside.
Yeah. You get.
Okay.
But this is a hole. Don't
The whole, right?
don't attempt to.
If we just attempt to put our leg inside, then we will fall down, right? You know, we cook this one week. We cook this leaf.
Really?
This leaf
Yeah.
with
Ampalaya.
noodles.
This is a wild ampalaya.
Ampalaya.
Yeah, you get it.
Yeah. Noodles. We cook with noodles.
Plant the April. I plant this.
Plants and also
Banana.
Okay. I saw it. You see, we eat this one.
Yeah. Wild ampalaya.
You will cut it off, right? Oh, you see, really nice. This kind of.
You know, I cut all my corn because did not produce good fruit. Very small.
This one, your corn is your plant, right?
Yeah. That's why I
So you cut it out.
Coyote.
Coyote.
Are you able to get it?
No. No, we don't want to get it. You just let it so the banana is go bigger.
That banana is defected.
Defected?
Yeah, a lot of wrinkles.
Oh, inside.
Wow.
Oh, he cut it already. You see. So what kind of wood you going to build the art for?
It's like
That kind of wood, like a bamboo wood.
yeah. You know, I built this house.
Wow. Oh, you built the house?
No, only for like that.
You just for relax? Okay. Oh. Giờ trâu xía tạt rồi. Giờ lúa kém để của cho hăng. Ít lại để cho rong chỉ tao nào mà xem mi hiện đã. Yeah. So did you go to the office? No?
No.
I thought you already
Did not pressure dog.
appreciate?
Pressure ba?
Pressure.
That's why relax. Really?
Do not go
Because
like a cat
we
moon.
will back to the ECQ again probably. That the embassy did not allow to anybody to come here in embassy.
They don't allow?
Because of COVID.
No man, now is increased
Probably,
to 36
started July 2, 3 like that.
to 3, so we can
That's why.
really hard, right?
Okay, let's go in down.
Yeah.
Down the hill.
So
Why the corn is not good in the like this ba? The slope.
cut it down.
Why?
I think Maybe it's not.
nutrients.
Maybe you have to wait for it. Still young, I think. Still very young.
Really?
Yeah, very young. So it's not produce the good fruit. So do not.
Don't kill my banana. No. Don't kill.
This one we after this we
You save the chili, huh?
after this we get this one to cook with noodles.
Really?
Mm.
Squash?
Yeah, squash.
But
you-
the flower, not the leaves.
Not the yes the leaf.
The young leaves.
The young leaf.
Not the old.
Yeah. Like this one, we just get it. A lot of chili.
If they not
A lot of chili spicy.
fruit crops.
Oh man.
No need.
You see
When I plant, I started to put the pillar
the pillar?
down there.
The pillar down here?
Yeah.
And how big you may make it?
From there. Then I will buy
there.
rope.
Oh, to tie it?
Yeah.
The rope that you tie the art?
Yeah.
Okay, that's much better.
Do you kill it?
I don't know.
Do you
I
kill
think.
it?
Oh,
Oh.
it fall down.
Probably that.
No, that no.
That matured.
I think that is mature. Not yet. Not yet.
Let's go for the main purpose. We will check it.
ไปอันเราจะพงที่ฟิลิปปินส์เลยหมูแต่นอนนั่นเลยอยู่ว่าอีลูเลอร์โตจอดสีโต๊ะเจอนั่นนะจอดสีโต๊ะเจอมาสู้ที่ชิมา
There farm there before. When you
ชิเป้าชอหนูอยู่นี่จ้ะเนอะcho nó cô tôi cần tới tôi cho tê
What is your bolo? It's the same like that.
chớ bỏ cử đi nó mua tôi đi cha xử lên tới để cô cho nhẹ cân còn nữa từ sự su chi vít ta lên nữa cho nhẹ cha nữa tôi cần tới chúng mình nhẹ chỉ ô rò
This bolo is
ô rò một cỡ như thế này tụi nó cho lên liên này cứ tôi nhẹ cho một cỡ đâu cận tới cho bỏ cử lô cho còn đông lô từ tên nào phát phá này là cho thì chớ lô
Yeah, because it's very
tôi đi cha cho mua tôi lên tới cho bé nó hậu lô cho một thèm đi cần tới lô tôi chỉ trồng đi cần tới hết lô cho nó cho cái khâu ô tô bếp bỏ tôi tiệt xôi dạ bếp luôn nâng bếp chẳng chỉ tôi cứ cho khăn rồi nó hết nữa là cứ cỡ rồi là cần tới là cứ chân nữa nhưng mà tôi xin cho bá nhà nó luôn. How many pira you want to? How many pira?
But you said my companion said very small.
Yeah, I think so. That one is too small.
You got it's very small, so very easy to decay.
I
Maybe I will start to put there.
you don't have anything?
Yeah,
No, I mean you don't have anything to dip the ground.
yeah. We need to dip.
You
But
had
it's better. It's big. It's like this, but
not to dip, but just the only I think 20 or 25 centimeter or something like that. So you can put it deeper, even not fall down easily.
yeah. Okay, it's better, but very big.
Yes.
I build a tree house. Look.
Tree house.
Yes.
There is his house.
Yeah.
Where is his house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Come.
So he built the tree house on the tree.
Yeah.
Oh, so
No,
nice.
it's like a rest house.
A rest house.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know, with his family, the snake climb.
The snake.
Yeah.
Wow.
This sound, there's a snake.
Oh, so he just bring his family here
Yeah.
for vacation.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Okay, but before.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's nice now.
But now he's busy.
But
That's why he did not clean.
uh,
His villager is it.
oh, ta xin nó nữa. Người ta tọt sẽ tới cho nó cho nó. He cutting the wood. He prepared to build the art for the coyote. This is the pillars. To build. I think the pillar is this one is much better. This one is bigger.
Where?
This one. Who is this one? Who is the owner of this one? Pastor Wakai. So you no need to. Yes.
That if you bend the rope.
Hmm?
Oh. Well, we'll stand there, build.
Oh.
Get
So-
right on.
You just make like a square.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true.
Because if you build a big what call this?
Thì nó in chỉ bên một chén đông lọt đó này. Bên đó tao dùng một chén đông. Chén dễ in chỉ lò mà đi thay nên sẽ nữa.
15 40.
Oh, you have to stand up. Okay, stand up.
I will.
Somebody who is the who built that one?
My faculty because he planning to make a tree house.
You made it?
No, my faculty, the rider of Ultri.
Oh,
Sir Sammy.
what is this purpose?
For fun. Oh,
Just for fun?
yeah. Just more fun in the Philippines.
Okay. Be careful, huh? Because you wear shoes. Hết ruột tiệt. Chứ lỡ ô tô khai chơi được bó số tê trong đông à. Ta chỉ nó lấy một trong đông gì rồi. Trong đông vô lò rồi chứ nó mà. Nhưng mà ôi chả thiết tố rồi. You cannot move, man.
Stuck, man.
Yeah, you cannot move. Only cut on the top.
Here.
You will fall down. How can you you just use that one already? Oh man.
Probably I will get the.
Yeah, you will get this one first. The mentor.
Cut.
How can you get down?
Here.
Nó bị to rồi nữa. Khởi đất tiện.
Probably I will get the.
Yes. You have to take off that one.
Because we stuck here.
Ô, chuyện đông nhiều cơ đó.
How about if I?
Yes, I think possible.
Yeah.
Oh,
Must to find a place. A better place.
you have to find the safe place.
Slide it gently.
Oh, you're really strong.
For the future.
Lần nào ơi, ta xin nó. Lần nào nó lọ pe. Một chuyện đông xí lần nào cũng cho ra lon thế rồi. Một kia lon thế cho nó kia lọ rồi. Bây giờ một chuyện này lon này. Xong cú here already go ahead. Bây giờ tôi khỏi trong gì tao nè. Bây giờ mua vào. Cho mua xe mi này. Yeah, I just cover this. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ô, lần nào ta ơi. Ô, đừng có chặt khỏi xe gì phun đặt tiêu lần nào ơi. Bây giờ một chế rồi. Khỏi xe gì xưa rồi của team ơi. Yeah, let's go. Bây giờ một chế ta xin nó phục cô. Để nó chỉ tốt này cho bé mùi nữa. Rồi lần nào đó, bé lần nào bóc cửa chế á. Lần nào trâu được thế nào? Lần nào đó có chỉ bọc cá. Lần nào cái là tụi nó bóc cửa. Đứa nào ta? Là tụi nó bóc cửa không? Những chuyện đây bóc cửa chứ mà lần nào? Không đây không? Nó cái chỗ nào mà bóc cửa trên nọ hết nè. Bóc cửa trên của xe rồi chứ.